Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you are new here, I do makeup tutorials that are quick, easy, and a minimal amount of product, and usually based off of one of my muses from pop culture. Today will be an inspired look based on Vali Myers. This book, Love on the Left Bank, which is where I got the inspiration for this look. She was a free spirit, she was an artist, lived in Paris, she was expelled from Paris, she moved to Italy, where in 1965 a movie was shot about her life, The Witch of Positano, which gained considerable recognition. After seeing that movie, the artist Donovan asked her to dance on stage during Season of the Witch. In Italy, she became a wildlife conservationist. In order to fund the conservation, she started selling her drawings. Some people that bought her drawings were Mick Jagger and Marianne Faithfull. When she lived in the Chelsea Hotel, she met Patti Smith, and Patti Smith asked her to tattoo a lightning bolt on her knee because she was also very, very intrigued by Vali. Vali also had really cool, intricate tattoos on her face that she did herself and her hands. She was just a really cool, eccentric artist, human. She is one of my muses, so I wanted to do a makeup that was inspired by her. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to be using the MAC Kohl liner. I believe that this was a limited edition, so you can use, I think you can still get it in the UK and online. But you just want to use something that is very creamy and very, very black. So I'm lightly, because this is really, really dark, I'm lightly just going underneath the lash line and pulling it out slightly because I'm going to be using brushes to create the shape. I'm going in with a small fluffy brush and I'm going to pull that line further down to create a pretty smoky line underneath. And then with that, I'm going to start pulling it out to create the shape. And you can always add in more. So if you get like that basic silhouette down, it's a lot easier. Going back in with that kohl. And I'm going to make the liner a lot thicker on the outer corner. I'm not really going to go into the inner corner of the eye because I'm going to do that with a brush. So with a small angle brush, if you need a little bit more, just take a little bit off the pencil itself. Loading up the pencil, and I will start to connect to the inner corner. And I'm using the brush because I want that to be a lot thinner in there. So I'm just creating that line for the crease. I'm keeping my eye open. I want it to be a little bit above where my eye naturally creases so that you can see it when my eye is open. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect because you're going to go in with a black powder shadow. With what's on my brush, I'm going to pull that line down so that it starts to blend it. Now back with that fluffy brush that we used to smoke out underneath, I'm going in with a black shadow. And just lightly dust over the line that you just did. That'll help to set it. It also helps to forgive any little skips that you get. And I'm just going to apply it lightly on top and start to bring that into the lid. Now with the small fern brush, I'm going in with Omo. I'm just applying that to where it started to be a little bit smokier. That'll also help to blend out and help to forgive any skips that you get in the eyeshadow. When you go in with like a neutral brown that's a little bit darker than your skin tone over black, it's like it does all the blending for you. Same brush, I based my eye with my concealer and a little bit of my setting powder. So I'm just going back in with the setting powder. I didn't use a lighter shadow because you can just use your concealer and face powder. You don't need a whole other shadow. If you just want a lighter matte lid to go in and perfect, if you want it to be absolutely perfect, take that small angle brush and that black shadow again. I'm using black, y'all. This is the Black Magic palette from Woma. It's close enough. I'm going in with the light cream liner, a mascara. The lips, KKW Beauty. I'm just contouring. I love this because it just looks like you just naturally have that shadow around the lip area and it's not like a liner look. I love a blurred lip line. Since this is such a liner focused look, I'm going to keep the lips pretty light. I'm going to go in with Honey Lip Whip by Beauty Bakery. These are fantastic. They set so good and you like can't get them off. It's great. So this is the final look. So this is inspired by Vali Myers. I am going to link in the description box below some articles. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this look and how it turned out for you. I thank you and I will see you in my next video.